Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw and use drawing. So let's get started. Friends, in one of my recent videos I have drawn Buddha in 3 foot by 1 foot size, and I have done that art for Tangapadakam channel and I have shown you all those things, and in that video I have said that I'll be doing some more projects for them. And here's the second project, friends. Hope you like it. And friends, after watching this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And friends, please watch this fully, it will be great. And yeah, let's get into it, friends. I'm drawing on an A3 size sketchbook and with Camlin charcoal, obviously, because I like it. Friends, this A3 size sketchbook is from a local stationery shop and I like it so much. Not a stationery shop, it is an art store, and I wanted to show you all those art materials which I bought in this month, because I think it might help you to get better art materials in a budget. Because lot of us having a budget for our art materials and buying all those things, so I hope it will be good if I show you all those things. And yeah, hopefully I'll be posting that video soon as possible. I might post this video on Wednesday itself. Let's see. Friends, I'm not going to talk much here, and enjoy this video, friends. Friends, for this drawing I have used some more highlighting tools like mechanical eraser, mono zero eraser, and white acrylic marker and these stuffs. And this is the drawing, friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and it will be great. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Bye.
Peace.